Hi, I'm Megan, and today I'm going to be showing you a makeup tutorial. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing I like to do is prep my face with some primer, just so the product looks a bit better. I only use a little bit, like that. And then I rub it all over my face, on my eyes, just all the areas where I'm going to be doing my skin. And it feels a little sticky at first, but that's okay. It'll eventually feel normal. Okay, and the next thing, notice my cute makeup bag from Temu. The next thing I do is concealer, and it's Maybelline 4-in-1 Glow Makeup, and we'll just kind of twist it like this, and a little bit of product will come out. Just for my under eyes. I believe this works as a baby cream too, if you don't wish to use foundation. Just a little redness in my cheeks. I have a lot of redness in my cheeks. Yep, and then I let that sit for a minute. I grab a sponge, just a regular schmegular sponge from the dollar store, and I just blend. Just blend. Like so. Make sure all the redness is evened out. There we go. There is a bunch everywhere, and it's so bad. Anyways, I think that's, I'm just gonna check in the mirror just to make sure. Yeah. I don't like my makeup to look too cakey. I think I like more of a natural look now that I'm older. I don't like caking my face as much anymore, but back in the day I would go crazy to the point where my face looked orange and just powdery and there was white under my eyes. But makeup's also improved over the years, so yeah. And then I take an eyebrow pencil by NYX, and the shade is in Ash Brown. I got it when I had brown hair, so don't mind. I kind of like having a darker brow though. I just comb through. I don't fill them much because my eyebrows are already kind of dark. But yeah, I just kind of, just over the little sparsy areas there. Like so. And I just fill them in just like that. I don't change the shape. I don't really pluck my eyebrows. I just kind of shape them like so. And I just do that. And then I blend out this part here. And I'm not sure if I'm completely satisfied with that look. I want to get a little more thickness around here. Just like that. Okay, one more final comb through. Just like that. And you can see it is still quite natural looking, not too penciled in. I used to have like eyebrow blindness where I would overdo my eyebrows way too much and they just looked so bad, but I didn't know until years later, looking back on old pictures, how bad they looked. I eventually swapped to a brow gel, but that just wasn't really for me. It felt too sticky, and it wasn't for me, so I don't know. But anyways, now I'm switching over to some foundation, and I don't use that much foundation. I tend to use like a little too much came up there, but I use like, this is not how much I use, but I'm gonna take a little bit off here, just kind of, I do not like using too much foundation, especially in the summer. It feels kind of gross, honestly. Just use it more like a BB cream, just kind of lightly put it on everywhere. And yes, I know I'm using my fingers, but whatever. This is like one of my first videos ever going on YouTube, so I don't really care. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna use a sponge to blend that out. And I forgot to show the product, but it's Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in whatever shade that is. So. And then you just blend it out, like so. And I've never really had perfect skin. I've been trying to do skincare, but it caused irritation on my cheeks around this area and this area, and I've been working really hard to clear that back up. I've never really had like bad irritation issues until then, but it was one of the products I use, because I use a bunch of different skincare. I don't just use all one same brand. But anyways, yeah, that was a mistake. Whatever product I used, it really did not agree with my skin. And now I'm going to be using a natural bronzer by Rimmel, and it's just like this generic shade that I got. I'm still working on using bronzer. I'm not a pro at it. I want to say that I'm quite average at this. And also, if there's any tips you want to leave me, please comment below. I would love to try new tips for my face. I'm using this cute kabuki brush I got at the thrift store a while ago. Okay. Alright, now where are we at? Skin's done, brow's done. I want to say I want to do the eyes next. So for this, I kind of want to do an eyeshadow. I just don't know what I want to pick for. I don't know what I want to pick for eyeshadow. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna just use a bunch of different shades and see. Oh yes. So this palette I got like a couple years ago, and I'll use the shade, the purple shade in the corner there. Methinks. Just use that. I don't always use a eyelid primer or whatever, eyeshadow primer. I think that it works fine the way it is, but if you would like, that's up to you. I use a setting spray in the end anyways. Let's see if that's... Just get purple, because I'm wearing purple today, so I may as well match the outfit. There you go. Ooh, I think going like a light pink in the corners would be really cute, like in the inner corner. Oh my god, I'm so jittery from my coffee. Yeah, I think that's really cute. What else should I do? I think I want to go a different kind of purple, but with a different eyeshadow palette, because this one only has one purple shade. See here, I'm just gonna go through. I have like 10 eyeshadow palettes. Oh, this one, NYX, the Winx eyeshadow palette I got for Christmas like a few years ago. I know, I was crazy about eyeshadow palettes back then. I think I'm going to use this shade Quiet Soul. I can't really hold that up, but I think that'll be our cute little look. Yeah, that'll be cute. Yeah. Yeah, eyeshadow is a cute look, for sure. Okay, let's see. I want to check the lighting on here. Let's see. That's cute. I like it. Oh, that light's a little bright for me, but I'm gonna go back to this lighting. this over here. Yeah, it's fun. I'm getting back into makeup again. I've always had a passion for makeup pretty much since I've been 13 years old, and I'm now 27, almost 28 in a month. So yeah, it's been quite a while of doing makeup. I've been in and out of it throughout the years though, so I'm not like a pro, but I'd love to get back into it. I think it's really fun, and it's fun to get dolled up and take pictures after or take a video. Like it's always fun to do that. Now the only thing is I don't really have a great eyeliner right now, and the eyeliner is kind of what puts everything together. But okay, let's do this. Get some eyeliner going. Oh my god, have you ever tried doing eyeliner in a camera? It's actually so hard. Or maybe my eyesight's just not that good, but oh my god, it's so weird. Ah, that seems to be cute. All right. I don't like doing too much eyeliner anymore. I think that naturally I feel like my eyes are intense enough. If you caught me in high school, you'd know that I was crazy about like super heavy winged eyeliner, and I just thought it was the shit. Like I thought it was so cool. But so did everyone else in my generation. We just loved winged eyeliner. I'll just use this one to go kind of underneath. Ah, that's cool. Yeah. Eyeliner, like eye makeup in general, was just always super popular with my generation in high school. Sorry, I just wanted to really concentrate there. But yeah, a little bit of eyeliner is flattering on me still. I wouldn't say the type of eyeliner I'd wear back in the day though, where it's like half my lid is just black and it goes to here and here. But yeah, I wish I could still pull that look off, but I can't. It was fun while it lasted though. Alright, I don't really wear falsies, just at least not in this video, just because I still have to kind of get used to applying those, and I've also thought about getting lash extensions, but I also think that that's crazy expensive, especially like if you have to get them done over and over again, like get a fill. But I don't know, I might try it one day and see how that works out. And mascara, I still like to wear quite a bit of, just because I like having thicker lashes. It's cool. And I'm sorry if I sound like I have a really dry throat or something. I'm really thirsty. It's really hot in here too, because I have the door closed and I don't want people hearing my baby and my husband gaming. And it gets really stuffy in here fast. It's hot now and summer is approaching. Alright. That's a look for sure. I'm not sure if I want to do my bottom lashes or not. Maybe I'll do a little bit. A little bit on this. A little bit goes a long way. Let's see. Yeah. Maybe I'll do one more coat on the top just to make it a little dramatic, I guess. I'm not sure why I'm doing so much talking when I might end up putting music over the video anyways, but we'll see. Maybe I'll just put some in the background. There. And do some over here. I also love seeing makeup videos on TikTok by like people who have a passion for makeup because they can get so creative and it's just so cool. Like this one girl was doing like drawings with her eyeliner and it was like swirls. Like I know it sounds weird, but it looked really cool. And I would love to learn how to do that sometime too. Alright, now we're almost done here. I think I want to do a bit of blush. I just don't know what blush. Let's do this one. I usually just slap on any blush, really. That doesn't really matter to me. All the blushes I have are kind of the same shade anyways. They're all kind of like this coral shade. Like this peachy coral looking. Okay, that's enough blush. I've never tried like a pale pink blush. I think that would be cute too. I just never got around to it for some reason. Also, I'm thinking of getting my bangs cut again, like cutting my own bangs, but I'm not sure if that's a good idea because I always end up growing them out. I also dyed my hair blonde recently, but I'm not sure if I really like am loving it. I kind of liked the brown better low-key, but we'll just live with the blonde right now. Yeah, so last but not least are my lips. And we're probably finished soon. I'm probably gonna do... Yeah. Maybe I'll just do this one. I'm doing like a Bath & Body Works lipstick by... why isn't it focusing? Bath & Body Works by Emily in Paris. Bonjour Blossom. Probably got that all mixed up just now. I'm just gonna do my lips. I don't know how I look with lipstick either. Like, I don't know how I feel, but it looks good on camera though. Lately I've been loving my natural lip shade, so maybe I'll get more nude lipsticks. I feel like the more hot pink red ones are kind of a lot for my face, but it's good when I feel dramatic, I guess. Anyways, I think that's the final look here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really want to get back into posting on social media, and maybe not like super often, but I like content creating sometimes, so I hope that I end up following through with it. Okay, thank you. Bye. I'm gonna start recording this now.